Hi friends, welcome to Taladal's Kitchen. I am Mansi and today I am going to show you a fusion recipe which is Chana Chor Garam Nachos. We're going to make a guacamole. For that I have taken a ripe avocado. So I'll show you how to cut it. Take a knife and cut it around like this. So once it's cut around, just open it. There will be a seed inside. Remove it and we'll scoop out the pulp in a bowl. So take a spoon and scoop out the pulp like this. This is a perfectly ripe avocado, and now with the help of a fork we'll mash it. Alternatively, you can also use a potato masher, but I'm using a fork. This is more comfortable. Yes, you can see it is so soft and it's getting mashed easily. So this has been mashed well. Now avocado turns to become black quickly, so we'll add lemon juice to retain the color. We'll add some onions. We'll add some tomatoes. I've finely chopped the onion and tomatoes. For some spice, green chilies, some coriander, and finally some salt. And now we'll just give it a mix. So our guacamole is ready. Let's make the uncooked salsa. I'll add some finely chopped tomatoes, some onions, green chilies for the spice, some cumin seed powder, some coriander, finally some salt. And now we just give it a mix. These are the basic ingredients for making any nachos. We'll lightly mash it as salsa is slightly mashed. With the help of the spoon, keep mashing it for about 1 to 2 minutes so that all the flavors have combined well of the cumin seed powder and the green chilies. Yes, so this has been mashed well. So let's make the nacho sauce. It's very simple. We're going to take cheese slices over here, and I'm using Britannia cheese slices over here. We'll just break them into pieces roughly. I'm taking 4 slices because you want the cheese sauce flavor in the nachos. Here goes the last slice. Now we'll add the milk and a pinch of salt. As the cheese size already has salt, we are adding a near pinch. We'll switch on the flame and give it a mix. You can see the cheese has started melting. Keep mixing it till it is completely melted. But remember, it should not become very thick. So our nacho sauce is done. We'll switch off the flame. I've already placed the chana chor garam on the plate. I've taken big size chana chor garam over here. Do not take the small one because you will not have the nacho feel in that. I'll start topping them. Firstly, we'll top it with the guacamole that we had prepared. Now we'll top it with the uncooked salsa. Add a little bit. Now we'll top it with the cheese sauce that we have prepared. Wow, isn't this looking sinful? And finally sprinkle it with spring onions. I'm sure this is going to be something different for a party if you try it out. All the guests are going to enjoy it. So go ahead and try this quickly and let us know how it turned out. Bye bye.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com. If you enjoy our recipes, click like. To see more of my recipes, click here. Please share your comments I would love to hear them. I'm waiting for them.